Hi guys! Unboxing tayo ngayon. How about this one? Let's hope it's good. Oh, it's stainless. Oops. Let's see what's inside. Bakit ayaw ayaw lumabas? Ayaw siya. Wait lang. Tada! There you go. Like this, guys. Pag nagre-roast ka, maganda siya. Just one down. There you go. Stainless. With a cover siya. Pero, manipis yung cover niya eh. May damage now. And this is for protect the glass. Massive. Ang laki naman, look. Or sa washing bra. Pwedeng dalawang bra dito. Kaya dalawang binili ko. And then this one is for cupcake para sa party. Maliit lang siya. There's another one. Wait. Hindi ko na matandaan kung ano ang order ko. Oh, look. Super cute. Pero, kaibigan ka to. I-attach mo lang siya. Basahin na lang. Ayan. And then, universal remote control for the TV. Ito. Balloon for Christmas sa party. Ito for the games. Tsaka ito. Plato. Disposable siya. Maganda siya guys kasi palm lips. Matibay siya for party. Ayan lang. That's all. May mahabol pa pala ito. Ito yung grater siya. Pag nag-grate ka, madali na lang. May lalagyan na siya. Girl, nandito na siya. I'm looking forward to unboxing it. Tadaan! JBL, here I come! Tapos ito pa guys. JBL. Pang party! Looking forward to use it. Tadaan guys, unboxing tayo. What is this? Hi guys, unboxing tayo. So, testing natin maya-maya. Ayan. Ganyan ang itsura niya, guys. Very light. So, rechargeable siya. Ayan. Ito. Charge muna natin bago natin gamitin. This is my Christmas unboxing. Oops. And I don't know, but I'm wishing to have Mickey heart or wealth. It's already there.
So sweet.
What they say, guys? Oh, what is it? Ta-da! Is
Oh, it says.
well, I'm gonna get rich. Madam, look at this. Is this yours? Hey guys, my Christmas present. January na kasi hinihintay namin na mag-sale. At least we're saving a little bit of money instead of paying the full price. Ito galing sa aking unika iha. Tadang! Shoes. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Ito siya, guys. May ganito na ako, pero green siya. Pero, the difference is, this is leather. Yung isa is green yun, pero cloth siya. Thank you. I love it. Ito natin yung isa. Alam mo naman yung isa lang. Oops. May pang summer na ang lola nyo. Thank you. Pack. Beautiful. Guys, this is my late Christmas present. Ayan siya, guys, late. Oops. It won't open. Bakit matigas? Is very light. Dito tayo sa kabila. It doesn't wanna open. Ta-da! It's on sale. Ta-da! Yan siyang button. And then, very soft. Nice and warm. High hood siya. But the hood is not removable. You can adjust here. It's good because the pocket, guys. It's good. Hi guys, let's do unboxing. I bought this because I travel. I like to travel, so you've got this one and with a bag, so it's easy. You just put it like that, and it tells you here. Ooh. Okay. Oh, nice. Unboxing tayo guys. Shopping tayo. Nabudol na naman ang lola. Tadang! This is the ngayon, yung socks niya. Straight lang siya guys. I think maliit siya eh. Too small. With this one, wanted ko talaga to guys. So, curiosity is the key to do the shopping. Ito yung sinasabi nilang ano, ibang klaseng 3D look. Waterproof mascara. Oh, ang liit na guys, look. Super liit. Pack. Ayan. Isa. Dalawa pa ang binili ko guys. Dalawa ang binili ko. Kasi para safe. Kasi may bayad siya. Alam mo na, may bayad ang ayan. May bayad ang posting. Kaya nabudol ang lola mo. Saan ka pa? Tapos ito naman, pampaganda. Nabudol siya. Sana hindi siya mag-ano talaga siya ba? Kumbaga, useful. Ito ang uso ngayon. Pack. Paano ba ito buksan? Pipindutin yata. Ayan. Ang hirap naman buksan. Masisira pa yung kuko ko nito. There you go guys. Ito yung uso ngayon. Ito yung gaganyan mo daw siya. Pampawala sa mga ano. Ganyan. Smooth siya guys. Wala pang hilamos ang lola niyo ha. Very smooth siya. Ayun, so far looking good, but the socks, let's try it on. I think it's very small. Though expandable naman siya. Ayan na. I'm not sure with my socks. These socks.